Glossies, I hope you're all well. I'm Lucy, the Social Outreach Executive here at Glossybox UK, and today we're going to be unboxing the April box. So this month's theme is Wake Up in Spring, and the box is worth over £50, which is amazing. This is the little leaflet it comes with, which is really nice. This just shows off our theme this month. So let's go through the products. First up, we have the -417 Serenity Legend Hydrating Dead Sea Bath Salts. These are vegan and enriched with unique healing minerals. These salts will help assist in the renewal of your skin cells, which helps minimize the inevitable signs of aging, which is great. And the full size of these is worth £10.24. The next product we have is the Downtown Paris Liquid Blusher. This is formulated with 99% natural and totally vegan ingredients, which is amazing. This is perfect for a glowy touch to a casual makeup look or a sophisticated touch to your evening look, but I quite like this as sort of an everyday makeup look. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my cheeks now. You don't need a lot at all, that's probably too much, but I'm just going to dab some on the back of my hand and then pop it on my cheeks. It's really easy to apply. You can use your fingers or you can use a sponge or a brush, but it just adds a really nice pop of colour to the cheeks. I like to apply this a little bit over my nose as well. It just helps to look like you've had a little bit of sun, which is always nice, but it just looks really nice and fresh and glowy, which is perfect for this time of year. And this product is worth £19.58. The next product is the Skin & Co Roma Truffle Therapy Morning Dew Cleanser. This helps to uplift and brighten your complexion, packed with superhero ingredients. This is a gentle cleanser which has black winter truffle extract, which fortifies the skin with powerful antioxidant enzymes. So this is like a gel consistency, if you can see that. And this smells really nice. This reminds me of holidays. It smells really fresh, it smells lovely, so I can't wait to use this, and this is worth £18.29 for the full size product. Next we have the Sophia and Mabel Eyeshadow Pod. This is their Aphrodite palette, and this is cruelty free. This palette is worth £25 as well, which is amazing, and the colours are beautiful. They are so nice for this time of year, spring looks. So here's a close-up of the colours. I've got these on my eyes today actually, and they are really nice. You can create quite a few different looks with these, so yeah, I'm definitely going to be using these a lot. And this colour here, the little pearl shade, this is perfect to just pop in the inner corner of your eye. This just really helps brighten the whole eye look. I love this. I'm definitely going to get a lot of wear out of this palette. So the next product is the Feel Free Antioxidant Eye Contour Cream, and this has hyaluronic acid, coffee, lemon and apple extracts. So this is really fresh, really revitalising, it's hydrating under the eyes, and it helps eliminate small lines. So I'll just show you what it looks like on the back of my hand. It's a really nice fresh consistency, which is perfect for all skin types. It also has aloe vera in and mint, which helps balance the skin tone and brighten the complexion, and this is worth £4.77. So that's this month's unboxing complete. We really hope you love your April Wake Up in Spring box as much as we do. Make sure to tag us in any unboxing pictures on social media at Glossybox UK to be in with the chance of winning Glossy of the Month. Thanks for watching, Glossies. Bye!